Ndiroragera iguru. Gideon ndongihota kuhura rwimbo ru. You cannot. Yeah, you are just trying. Niarageria muhurire iruhi. Mutimuhurira iruhi woi. Ndagathame kanitha. Utidio getha tempo. Transpose. Tempo. Wastage of time and resources. Ndarugama akwanirira ciugo ici. Gutuikaga ciugo ni cire hinya. No ngithoma wega kiugo ni gigukwira. Yeah, it will tell you that words are powerful. What you confess is what you possess. And let me tell you, Gamini is a clear show that modern no survive. Someone can survive and walk around without brains. Yeah, you are a clear show that someone can walk in town without brains and still survive. Oyo niandigithetie mwaka wa 2024, 21st century, and you are still walking around roaming like a helpless lion in the zoo. Like a restless hyena in Georgia. I've never seen that. Last weekend, tulicemania nake na mukefe uria wake arageria kwendia. Kija chama yake guhe lifti. Ngiareke njikarire. Nigetha muraika uria uroraga andu aria mari uru ngoro-ini ciao. Anyona uguo one ni madiuma na uru. Ndaika ya kibikibi ugo tutirathiete muno. Aje chairman hatire. Jamuri hatire ndo. Hatire bureki. Ndarora mbere uguo he ng'ombe cia Maathai irakira. Maathai aria na negwira cifu mathamio guku. Niracipora ndika hau. Yeah, you will remind me later. Ndaingira first rate gutiri undu ngigwika. Sigete heo na nirona nduthi. Ugaciraga ye. Now you are telling cows ye. Cows. Cows. Just a brainless human. Araringemwe pa. Ndiraikia iguru wa ng'ong'o wa ng'ombe. Andu ya ng'ombe ni ri hinya uguo. Reke tengere na nie. Ng'ombe gatengera uguo ukora ngira ni aruta rurimi njaharo. And you are there smiling. Ngimwetha uguo ndiramwetha rungu rwa maguru ma ng'ombe. Todo through the training that I have gone through, ndirathire ndeka somersault, ndiramenyita uguo, ndirametirigithia thi, iraita kimira. Rege, ya bagi. I've never seen that. Riu Maathai cigukage gwakwa. Courtesy of Gamini, tondu ni uracionia gwakwa. Ati chama ucio no akanitha itu no aringithia ng'ombe yanyu aruta ya bagi. Ndihe ng'ombe. Maathai acio ni guthama hau. Kia kiura ti kiao. Yeah, and you are here. I saved you from below the legs. Above the head, below the legs. And you are there saying the chairman should be arrested. Creature. Empty upstairs. Downstairs. Yeah, definitely. Choir, come and sing.